Hello friends. In this video I will tell you the features of a YIHUA 862BD soldering iron. The YIHUA 862BD soldering iron is a versatile and essential tool for both electronics professionals and hobbyists alike, designed to simplify the complexities of soldering and reworking electronic components. This innovative device combines the functionalities of a soldering iron and a hot air rework station into one compact unit, making it an efficient and space-saving solution for any workspace. Its dual-purpose capability allows users to seamlessly transition between soldering tasks and hot air applications, catering to a variety of electronic projects ranging from simple circuit repairs to intricate PCB soldering. One of the key features of the YIHUA soldering iron is its adjustable temperature controls, which enable precise heat settings for different materials and components. This level of control is crucial when dealing with sensitive electronic parts that can be damaged by excessive heat. Moreover, the device is equipped with an easy-to-read digital display, allowing users to monitor temperatures and make swift adjustments as necessary. The inclusion of a soldering iron and hot air gun not only enhances the unit's functionality but also promotes efficiency, reducing the need for multiple separate tools. In addition to its technical features, the YIHUA soldering iron has been well received in various applications, from repairing mobile devices to DIY electronics projects. Its ability to handle lead-free solder further broadens its appeal in contemporary electronic assembly tasks, aligning with modern environmental standards. For both seasoned technicians and enthusiastic amateurs, the YIHUA soldering iron represents a highly valuable investment in their tool arsenal, ensuring that all soldering and reworking needs can be met with accuracy and ease. The YIHUA soldering iron is a highly regarded 2-in-1 soldering iron and hot air rework station that stands out due to its exceptional features and specifications, making it a compelling choice for both hobbyists and professionals. At the heart of the YIHUA is its robust 80-watt soldering iron, which is designed for efficient heat transfer and quick heating capabilities. This level of wattage ensures that the soldering iron reaches optimal temperatures quickly, facilitating a smooth soldering experience. The temperature range of the YIHUA soldering iron is particularly noteworthy, as it can be adjusted from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius. This wide range allows users to work on delicate electronic components or more robust tasks, making it versatile for various applications. The hot air rework tool complements the soldering iron, providing temperatures from 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, with adjustable airflow settings, which are crucial for tasks such as heat shrink tubing or component desoldering. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.